So we have Amit, Nag Venkat, and Arvind. Myself,
Uh,
Ratnesh Pandey. Welcome to this demo class of Global Online Training of SQL, SIS, and SRMS. Before the start of demo session, so we have to set our expectations. So, Venkat, over to you. Can you introduce yourself quickly, briefly, and what is your expectation from this demo?
what is the brief description of the what is the SSS? What
No,
we learn,
so,
how to learn the
uh-huh.
uh, things very quickly and easily. I think that is the
Yeah, right. Okay. And what about you, Amit?
Same thing. I want to know about the SSIS and SSRS
Mm-hmm.
regarding the some project in our office that's
Okay.
related to SSIS, but we are not able to do anything on that package.
Okay.
So we need
Sure.
to develop or some change.
Yeah, got it. As per our discussion, right. So now I'm
Okay.
handovering to Arvind, and
Hey,
Arvind, introduce yourself and just take care. Okay. Thank you so much.
okay. Thank you, Ratnesh. So I'm Arvind here. So I have more than 10 years of experience in the corporate training. So I'm just going to show your demo and is initial fundamental of your integration services and reporting services. So basically, I'm sharing my screen. Yeah. So everyone able to see my screen?
yes.
Hello.
Yes.
Okay, great. Yeah. Okay, so basically, before going to discuss about for the Microsoft SQL Server integration services and reporting service, so did you any idea for the what is the business intelligence? Anyone? Okay, no
No.
issue, no issue. I will explain. Okay. So basically in our demo, basically our agenda is introduction. In introduction, we will describe what is the business intelligence and in respect of our integration services and reporting services. In the second part, we will discuss what is the SQL service integration services, then how to migrate data in using packages, data flow and workflow in our SQL service integration services. Then what is the data flow? What is the control flow, and again what is the SSRS means SQL Server reporting services. Then what is the reporting life cycle of SQL service reporting services. Then our demo, in demo we will describe how we can generate data flow, how can we generate control flow, and how can we migrate data from Excel, XML, or some different flat file to our SQL Server for making the report purpose. And apart from this, we will also try to show you how to generate a simple report using our SQL reporting services. Yeah. So before going to our main part is our SQL Server integration services and SQL Server reporting services. Firstly, we are describing what is the business intelligence. So basically, business intelligence we use for the reporting purposes by analyzing our data for visualization of data. Now, what is the requirement of the business intelligence? Now, in the common days for growing our business, we require business intelligence. I'm just giving a simple example, like you are going to in big bazaar for making shopping every day. Now big bazaar giving you the promo code and some offer. So for giving the promo code and offer, firstly he analyze your data, means how you making the shopping of your means all products. This related to your grocery, this related to your fashion, or different segment. So this is all about for the business intelligence. You are able to see my graph. In that graph it's means mention use of native Excel features. So basically you can use your Excel feature, means Excel file. You can use uh, different file system, flat file, Excel file, access data, and also for the SQL Server, Oracle, different data for analyzing your data and making a complete report on the basis of the analysis. So now I'm coming the main important part. What is the MSBI? So basically it is stand for the Microsoft Business Intelligence. So basically for seeing the market trend, Microsoft developed a product which name called the Microsoft Business Intelligence. And Microsoft Business Intelligence have the three major product. Firstly, our integration services product. Second one are analytics tools, and third one is visualization, means our reporting tools. So basically for the integration tool, we can say that this is our SQL Server integration services, and for the visualization we can say this is SQL Server are reporting services. So basically SQL Server's reporting services is totally different with the Crystal report, because when we discuss for the reporting services in developer and also DBA, in mind came that we can make report using the Crystal report. So now I'm just going on the next part. It's a very important part of our demo, because we are here for basically focus on the demo on the SQL Server integration services and SQL Service Server reporting services. So for the SQL Service integration services, what are the SQL Service integration services? So Amit, have you performed anytime export import activity using the SQL Server?
No, actually, I did.
Okay, no issue. So basically, SQL Server integration services basically huge before using our reporting services, because if you want to make a good report, then you require your data, and you can take data from different file system, which I have already explained. So basically SQL Server integration services used for the export import of data, making the data flow, and also making the control parameter and changing different lot of things. And we can say also our SQL Server integration services is a part of ETL tool, and everyone know that what the ETL tool do for in our real-time scenario for the business, means for the warehousing, for extracting data, loading data, and all this. Now major part, now we have already explained means what is the SQL Server integration services. Now how can we migrate the data? So I think everyone aware for the migrating data SQL Server import export wizard. This is a very good, and means this is shortcut we can say, but this is not a right approach. So we have to follow the Microsoft Visual Studio, because in the Microsoft Visual Studio we can create the data flow and control flow for controlling our data flow. So basically these are two major tools, or we can say also this is two techniques which use for the our export import method, or we can say migration of data, and also for the data flow for making our report purpose. So basically our SQL integration services basically huge for this activity.
What is it? Data flow and control flow.
Yeah, so basically actually Amit, I will show you in the demo, meaning the practical session, what is the data flow and the workflow, but I'm just explaining you. Means data flow, suppose you are just exporting your data, suppose you are exporting your data from SQL Server to Excel file, making your tabular for a matrix for the data, then it's a data flow, means from one node to from your source node to your destination node, it will move. So it's called the data flow. I will show you in the means practical session. And for the control flow, how can we control our data flow, means which method this is flowing. So this is basically data flow and control flow. I hope you are able to get it, Amit. Okay, no issue. So now here I have already explained what is the data flow and the control flow. So basically this is a screen of our SSS toolbox in which it's showing control flow and data flow. So in our practical session, I will explain how it's our data flow. So basically data flow is just part of our SQL Server integration services for flowing of data from source to destination, and control flow is basically controlling our data flow method. So now I'm coming, it's a very important thing. because nowadays everyone want their reporting tool very good, very efficient, and look wise also very user interface we can say. And in the market there are a lot of tool for developing our reported, but Microsoft also developed a very good product which we called here SQL Server Reporting Services product. Basically this product used for the reporting purpose. Means suppose you have a lot of data, like in my picture it's showing that one lady is working and she have a lot of data and she want to make the report. There are two methods. One method for making the report in means just in traditional way, and it's a very means time consuming we can say, and also expensive. So we can use our SQL service integration services from the data flow, and once data will come in our product means our SQL reporting service, then we can make a very good report. And we can also customize the report according to business need. Means we can make the color, foreground, background, and also different means formatting. So we can perform the formatting also. So basically we can say SQL Server reporting service is a server based reporting tools. So basically once you generate your report, you can push mail to your customer, or your customer will able also to download from the report manager tool. So this is all about for the reporting tool. So basically we can make very interactive report using the our this thing Microsoft SQL Server reporting services. Now main thing, when we are discussing for the reporting tools, then in Microsoft we have already Crystal Report. So why we require this tool? So major difference between the are this thing SQL Server reporting services and Crystal Report. In the SQL Server reporting service, we can make authorization who can access your report and who can authorize your report, or who can modify the report. We can also make a central configuration for flowing all report. So basically this is the main difference between our SQL Server reporting services and Crystal Report. And one major difference also means it is a very fast processing. For the Crystal reports, it's a traditional and it's taking a lot of time, but this thing it's taking very effective and fast processing. So now I'm coming means cycles. What is the cycle of our reporting tools? So basically, when we are just calling our SQL Server reporting services, then he have three cycle: one authorizing, one management, and one delivering. In authorizing, basically in authorizing, you will create a report. Basically, developer create the report, he can design the report, he can format the report, and he can mean all initial part of the developing of a report he can do in this part. Sorry. Amit, could you please go on the mute?
Yeah.
Thank you. And second part for the management means you created a report, different developer created report. Now required central report management server. So this is not possible in the Crystal report, but this is possible in the your reporting in your reporting tools is Microsoft SQL Server reporting services. You can manage your report for execution, means when you can deploy, you can make your security of report, and you can also generate web-based report manager for the custom users. This is it for the management part. For the delivery part, you can run your report, you can pull report from the report manager custom, and you can directly push your and he can get your report and he will happy. So next I'm just going to so the demo part means firstly I will describe means how our Server integration services work, and after that we will discuss means we will try to create a small report using some data. So I'm sharing again my screen, just a second. I hope everyone able to see my screen. Visual Studio?
Yes, yes,
Okay, great.
yes. I'm able.
So means you are able to see my Visual Studio screen or my PPT?
Visual
Visual
Studio.
Studio.
Okay, great. So now I'm just going to create a project using the Visual Studio 2019. You can use Visual Studio 2015, 17. And basically, when you install your Visual Studio, then you have to add two components, one for the reporting services and one for the your integration services. So now I'm just creating this thing. Firstly, integration services. So just go here, integration services. You can select from here. Create your report. Okay, it got created. Now come how we can add data means Amit was already asking means how data flow and control flow works. So I'm just showing means how data flow and control flow will work. So just go here, just go SSI import and export wizard. Next, then your SQL server. If you want to your local server, then just put here dot. Just select your database. Like I'm selecting test one. Okay, now your means destination. So you can choose Microsoft Excel, flat destination. So I'm here selecting flat destination. Just select the file name. So I'm here selecting output. Okay. Then not report nothing. Copy data from one or more table or view. Okay. You can make your delimiter from here different according to your needs. It's a totally developer activity, so you can use according to your mind. Okay, then finish. So now means our data got flow. Okay. So like here. So basically, here the data flow means our source is record. Firstly, I'm showing you output. Table output. I think this one. So this is basically your output. Complete means data record. So basically, I have chosen here a record from your source means this is our table. So this is your data flow means how it's just means flowing your data from here. So here this is a control flow. So from control flow, suppose you are just taking some other data flow. So you can make means your diagram, and using this control flow you can means control your data flow. Suppose currently I'm just taking from one destination to another destination, to you can use multiple destination. So this is a west, and the extension is DTSX. So this basically this is our package for the SSIs. And one more thing, yes, so packages got created and everything. So this is your control flow. So this way, and now I'm showing your this thing SQL Server data. Meanwhile, I'm just trying to create a small report. basically this is your database. This thing. So you can check from here.
Arvind,
Yes, tell me.
just do one thing.
Mhm.
In the SSIS package, when
Mhm.
it's complete or not
Mhm.
complete, there is two way, either failure or complete. Then how can we send the mail? Okay, either this is the fail, either this is the complete. So can we send the mail using the SSIS?
Yes, but you have to make configuration for that. Means how this got completed. Means you have to configure means alert log using the mail services, and for that you have to configure SMTP servers, SMTP server, and you have to take help with the Exchange server. So means you can do this thing, but you have to take permission with means your Exchange server administrator, and you have to take port number and SMTP server detail and everything. Okay, so you
Can
can
you show
create.
right now? Can you show right now? Okay, how can send the mail?
So for that we require the SMTP server. Okay, so and we have to create the configuration, and it will take time, and our it's a demo session, and I'm just going to also show you how to create the report. So I think it will be good. We can show you in the coming session. Okay, so now I'm just going to create one report. So you can use your report server wizard or report server project. So I'm choosing this one. Again, take this one. Report project one. So you can choose from the data source, and you have two options: one for creating the data source from yourself, and you can also use shared data source. But currently we have not any shared data source, so that's why it is showing only new data source. So again, you can choose your SQL Server detail just from here. Test one. Query builder. Tables. Record. Actually, the name of table is record. Just add it. Okay. And now depend means how much column you want to take for the report purpose. So I'm just taking name, position, and contact and email. Okay. So now here means you can make your report in two format: tabular format and matrix format. Now it's totally depend on you is which type of report you want to create. Then you can choose means from here details means this is showing the body part, email, contact, position. Next, report one. You can change here report name also. Finished. Okay, so basically this is a report you have got created. You can show from here preview. This is your report. You can make customization also, means according to your need. So I'm just like selecting this thing, means you can just stand it, means according to you. Okay, you can change foreground color also, like here.
In this report part, can we give any input to show that report?
You can means input means what? Because you are
Input
taking the data.
parameters. Input parameters for the data. Like I want to show only the which name started with the A, B, or
Yes,
C.
yes. You can do that. From that means like just go in the design part, like data source. Just go in the data source. In the data source parts, credential. Yes. Actually, in the query writing, you can write the query means like you want to order by or something, and also you can set the parameter means which type of means report you want. So means in the customization you can perform almost all things means according to business need.
I want to see on the runtime. See, like when a report shows there is one above two box, like a
Mhm.
name or email. So if I want to show like a name or email,
Okay,
so
so
can
you
we
want
do
to,
like this?
yes, 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 you can, let us say it. Okay, you want it's so only name and email, huh?
Yes.
No problem, no problem. Edit position. Okay, name and email.
No, no, name and email just like a input. See, this is a report. Here I wanted to
Okay, okay.
input input column.
You want input means just putting the name,
Yes.
this thing. No, I think it's not possible because here the for the reporting purposes we are just selecting data. Means for making the report currently you are choosing this thing select query, not input query. Means you have already a lot of data and you want to put the report. So means for the making the report in the general purpose also you are just making the report using this thing select query, or you are selecting the data. You are not inputting the data.
How can we do like this? Input the data or something.
So for the inputting the data, I have to check it. Means is it possible or not possible? Means you are just want to like a software. You just want to put username and password or something, and you want to fetch complete data. So I'm able to understand means what's your requirement, but we have to check it. Means it's possible or not possible because reporting tool work only for the select query means fetching the data from the background and showing on the front of the customer, and you want to make the report by entering the parameter. Means you
Yes.
want to yes, I got it. Means you want to just input your username and means username and email, and it will fetch complete data from your database. So for
Yes.
that we have to write some query or program. So for that we have to check because in the means in the standard purpose we are using reporting tools only for the selecting the data and making the customization. Means how to customize the data, means foreground and means making chart and everything. But we can try means by giving the input, is it possible or not? So for that we have to check it. So Ratnesh, it's complete from my side, means for the technical demo part also. So over to you.
Now, have you any question?
No, no, no. Awesome.
Ratnesh ji, are you there? So before that, Amit, you are using any reporting tools like a report builder or something?
No, actually, our team using the SSIS, SSRS means see, you want to learn in the means live
Hmm.
environment. There is a lot of SSIS package, but we don't have any SSIS developer. So we want to do customization or new development in SSIS and SSRS. That's why we
Okay.
want to learn on that base. See, they are
Okay.
using
Okay.
sending mail or something, and there is some reporting services, and that is using the input parameters. I have seen before that. That's why I am
Yes.
Okay.
asking.
Yes, so we can use, but we are instantly making. So for that, we can check and you means let you know means how can we provide the input parameter for making the report. Means for the username, email, or something. So
Like customer name. Yeah.
yes, yes, yes. See,
Yeah.
when we are using the input parameter, then we can use any parameter, not only customer name. Means everything on the
Date
data or
ranges also, no? Date ranges
yes,
also.
yes, yes. Every can you can when we put the input parameter, then we can put anything. Means because
Yes.
this is an input command. Okay, then input
Yeah.
command take from the your data. Means it basically it will act like you are just putting your customer name or email. So basically it will make a like it's basically make a query, select query, and it will provide you on the means you can say means uh, it's where condition. Okay, like Amit here is asking. So basically, where condition, suppose it's selecting complete table, and where your customer name and your email ID, then it will fetch from your customer name and email ID, and from that. But for that means providing the input, we have to check this thing.
Okay.
Okay, then it's all about for me, and maybe Ratnaji ji busy some work. So just let me know if you have any question. Otherwise, we can wind up the demo session.
Okay, we can do that.
Okay, thank you for joining.
Thank you.
Bye bye.
Okay.